the Mobile Modular CustomerHUB overview. One portal, all of your data.
First, create your account fast and easy. Click Sign Up. On the customer registration page, you can add your personal details. Then, add your invoice details, which can be found on any invoice. You'll need your contract number, your invoice number, and your account number. You can see them here. Register your account, and you're ready to sign in.
Go ahead and sign in with your unique account. On your home page, you'll have full access to manage your account from any device. You can manage your units on rent and see how many you have active. You can see if you have any pending pickups. And you can see if you have any pending deliveries. Easily see your balance overview. Below, you have an interactive map where you can see all of your units rented and where they are. If you go to the top, you can see contracts. Under the Contracts tab, you'll see all of your contracts in one convenient location. Go ahead and select a contract, and you have more options to work within that contract. To see information about that specific contract, click the contract number. Here, you'll see information about the contract specifically. Back at the top, we have the Invoice tab. Here, you'll see all of your invoices and some information about them. You have the ability to pay, print, and download all of your invoices. Just go ahead and select an invoice to make a payment. Here, you can overview it, confirm, and submit payment. Do you need service for one of your units? Go ahead and request the service. Select the contract that you need service for. Go ahead and select the description of the service you may need. Afterwards, put in your site contact information. Customer service representative will contact you shortly. Do you need to relocate a unit? Schedule a request easily online. Input new desired date, location, and site contact. Do you need to return a unit? Your portal makes it easy. Click Return Request, confirm, and request a pickup date and input the site hours. Reordering made simple. Reorder a unit easily on your account. Select the quantity you may need. Here you can review your contact information. Your customer portal makes it easy to request a quote. Add your details and a customer service representative will be with you shortly. You can also switch to your other accounts for quick management. Here you can see your other accounts and what units you may have rented. Then switch right back. If you have any questions, contact customer support. The CustomerHUB, one portal, all of your data. Create your account today with Mobile Modular.